Hi, this is Braj. I want to share my experience, what I felt when I got counsel from Miss M Shah, Jhhilmil M Shah. I am not very keen of believing in numbers or in numerology, but somehow I got an introduction from her, and I thought that I should get counseled, just to give it a try. And while I was being counseled, I was told the same thing from a different person who was an astrologer, and things match at some point of view when we are discussing of certain numbers, or when you are talking of the stars or the planets, how they affect you in certain way or the other. So numerology, basically what I felt, gives you an indication what's a must for you and what you should avoid, which you are doing unknowingly because you don't know certain things. Just for example, when I met her, according to my numerology, certain metals are good for me, certain metals are not. So first of all, I made certain changes, like I changed my watch and made it a dual metal watch. Same thing applies with whatever I am wearing in my hand. That's not single metal, that's double metal. So that thing helped me in some way or the other. Benefits I got from certain people which I was not knowing he could help me out in some way or the other. It just came out randomly and struck me after I did certain changes suggested by her. My recommendation will be Miss M Shah. If you get counseled, it will be helping you out in the long run and in the short run too. Thank you.